two O-rings, they're Byton O-rings on this joint, and this joint is rotating as well. And look at the, can you see the axles? You can see how it's mounted. You have the rolls, and when you put them in, the last axle will block everything basically. Right? Everything is rotating like Easy Glide, but with a different, much stronger construction. And basically, what we're doing is we're putting rubber underneath and Kevlar. And this plastic is just to protect it, but you can see the Kevlar basically. This is an older Kevlar. You can see this is very resistant to scratching and everything. And I would like you to pull the wire through, and I'll make some really bad curves. Okay, let me try this. Okay, you push it through here. It goes in both directions. It's not like Easy Glide. Okay, you have, it's, of course I'm making, hang on, you hold it and push it through. You have to push. Because of course what we're doing here is this very bad. Okay, now you felt some resistance pushing it through. Try to pull it now. Yeah. Okay, because you have less rolls working when you're pulling than when you're pushing. And what we have is, we have this, because of the, you have to bend it like this, like Easy Glide, we have this quick disconnect. So when you get it out, this goes on the feeder. You have an isolation that you can't replace if this gets cut or worn out. And basically you cut the wire and then you just push it through.
So what threads on that end?
It's here. It's if this one, we have a security here. If this one opens, you can close it, and it won't go. It won't come out.
No, I'm just wondering what's that. What?
Oh, one
this
quarter.
Is
One quarter
just
of an inch.
Fit in over way.
You can have whatever you want. You can have. This is 3/8 for the cruise robots. You can have normally attached to this. You will have the final part that goes into
the drag.
That's right. Yeah. So if you tell us, we can either make this one with a female 1/4, or we can make it with a male, and you have a female that goes on. So we can even make the final part for you. We have CNC machines. But basically, what you have then, you have these. You can have this larger type that goes in the dome. Push the wire all the way through, connect it, right? And the other thing you can do a semi-automated, because you have to push it such a distance and you're losing time all the time. 10 minutes will go away by pushing the wire. So the idea is to imagine you have now, let me get this out before anybody gets hurt. What we have basically, we have the construction is much stronger, and Kevlar will last for a long time. Now, when this is, after 2 or 3 years, you say, I want it reconditioned, we can cut the Kevlar. For 1/4 of the original cost, we can cut the Kevlar. We can ultrasonic wash it, clean it, put the new Kevlar on, repair some pieces. If you can see this, you can visually see on the outside. You can see that with Easy Glide as well. You can see if some of the rolls are worn out, and we can replace